Hi there, Mike. Stephen here. Alright, I'm going to show you how to do those things in the website quickly. Alright, what you're going to do first of all is you're going to go to www.wheels4wheels.co.za, and at the back you're going to add a / wp-admin, and you can just press enter on your keyboard and you're going to get to this login screen, which is going to have the WordPress logo here. It's going to ask you for a username and a password. Your username that I've set up for you is Michael with a capital M, and your password is Mike001 #, and then you can just click login. Right, once you've logged in, you're going to get to what's called the dashboard, and what you're going to be interested in is basically you're going to be working with posts, which is where you're going to do your updates for your blog. And you're going to work on this gallery here, which I'm going to show you just now. Alright, so let's go for the updates of the posts first. Posts are your daily updates to the blog. You're going to click on, you're just going to hover your mouse over posts here. It's going to throw another menu. You're going to say add new. Once you click add new, it's going to give you a place at the top here where you can enter the title. So let's say the first day was awesome. Let's say that's your first one, and then you want to write all your stuff here. Write your update, just type whatever you want to type. It works just like Microsoft Word. You've got all your buttons at the top here, bold, italic, underline, all of those. If you want to insert a picture, you're going to click on this little camera here that says add media. So let's say you want to add the picture to the right here of the text. Then what you're going to do is you're going to actually click on the left. The reason we do that is it has to do with the alignment. We're going to, after we load the picture, we're going to choose whether to align it right, left or center. But you have to start by clicking on the left hand side in line with the place where you want to put the top of the image. So let's just go, we're going to select an image. Once you click on the little camera, it opens up a little window where you can select the files from your computer. We're just going to put any of your images in here. Let's just go for this one here. So let's double click on that, and it's going to start uploading. You'll see it's going to start uploading. Then it's going to start crunching it, making it a bit smaller for the website. If you want to leave this link here, that's fine. All it does is that if people click on that image, it'll just make it bigger. If you don't want that, you can just take out the link by pressing backspace. Here you're going to choose your size. Never use thumbnail, that's really too small. Medium is fine, but most often you would like to put in the full size. So let's go for full size. And let's say under alignment, we want to align it right. Alright, so we're going to go for right alignment. We're going to go insert into post. You're going to insert that. And you'll see it's going to insert it on the right hand side here. So you can finish your article. You can just keep on writing, and you can use all the controls at the top, like the bold, the italic, the underline, stuff like that. If you want to insert a horizontal line, you just go to where you want to do that, and there's the horizontal line button. Alright, and then you're going to have categories. Now I would suggest that you have a category called latest news. Let's add that. You're going to add new category, latest news. You can make any categories. You're going to add new category here. You'll see it appears here. So you're going to choose where to publish this article, and you're going to put it under latest news, and we're going to say okay. And just another thing, if you wanted to resize this picture, you can just click on it and just resize it like normal, just drag it smaller or bigger. Then once we're going to say publish, it's going to be live on the website. So let's publish, and you'll see the little progress wheel turning here, and also at the top of the page you'll see the little progress wheel. And once that stops turning, you can go to your website, you can go to blog, and you will see that the post is there. Okay, obviously you can make this picture much smaller, and as we go, you'll see this was the first one we did. It'll put the newest posts at the top, and it'll say the date that it was published, and it was published by Michael. The edit button won't be there if you're not logged in, so you don't need to worry about that. And then you'll see that it just shifts all the old posts down and down and down, so all the newest news will always be on the front. If you want me to enable RSS feed, which means that people can subscribe to this feed and get the blog actually in their Outlook or stuff like that, let me know, then I'll enable it for you. Okay, that was the post. If there's anything else that you don't understand about that, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I just want to show you how instant this is. I want to quickly resize this image, make it much smaller. Update, click on update. Once again, the progress wheel here and at the top. You go back to your blog and you can refresh, and it's going to upload. The button that you're going to use in the left here is called FIA Gallery. You're going to hover your mouse over it. It's going to pop out a window. You're going to go to Manage Galleries. Click on that once. Then you're going to get this screen. Alright, so firstly you have to create a gallery. Now, please don't be shy. Create as many galleries as you want. Maybe one for each day or anything you want to do. So we're going to go create, don't use the albums for now. You can just go create new gallery, add new gallery at the top. Maybe make this, give it, just for an example, we can delete it later, just say Cape Epic Day 1. You click on Add Gallery. And then it will say to you, Gallery Cape Epic Day 1 successfully created. Alright, so now we've got the gallery listed here also under Gallery Overview. Now we're going to click on Upload Images. Just under Create New Gallery, you're going to find Upload Images. You're going to firstly choose the gallery into which the images are being uploaded. We're going to choose Cape Epic Day 1. You're going to browse your images on your computer. Let's just take a few pictures. We're going to take this one, this one, this one, and let's take this one. Click on Open. You'll see the images listed here. If you made a mistake, you can remove them one by one. And then once you know that you're up in the right gallery, you can just click on Upload Images, and you'll see a progress bar at the top here, which will show you the progress of each image that's loaded. You'll also see the progress happening here. Alright, very important. It's going to say successfully uploaded, but just wait. Don't press any buttons yet once it says successfully uploaded, because you've got to wait for the system to create the thumbnails for the gallery. Okay, so then it says create new thumbnails, and then you'll still see the progress bar here. Once that is done, you know that you're done. Alright, so then it's safe. Again, look at the progress wheel at the top here. Once that stops turning, you know that you're done. Alright, so now we've created the gallery, but we haven't inserted it into any page yet. Now to do that, it's very easy. You go to Pages, All Pages. You're going to find the page that we have called Photo Gallery, which is here. You're going to just click on it. It's going to open up the editor. Once the editor is open, you'll notice that at the moment, when we go to the website under Photo Gallery, there is just one sentence that says, please browse through the gallery of mountain bike events, rides and other events. That sentence there. Alright, which you'll also see in the editor. There's the sentence. So under that, we're going to make a heading for this album. Let's just call it Cape Epic Page 1. Sorry, Day 1. Let me just correct that. Day 1. We're going to make it bold. We're going to underline it. Right, so there's our heading. We're going to enter so that the cursor is underneath. Then we're going to use this little button here on the right. And when your mouse goes over it, it says Add Flash Album Gallery. So we're going to click on that. And we're going to choose our gallery here. We want that one that says Cape Epic Day 1. We insert it. Remember, the pictures are already loaded into the gallery. So we just choose the gallery now. Now it creates what we call a short code. Just leave that. Don't do anything to that, because that's just telling the website that that's the gallery that we want there. All right. So leave that as it is. Click update on the right hand side here. And then once the little wheel at the top has stopped spinning here, the progress wheel, you know that the gallery has been loaded. Okay, so it's stopped now. Let's go to the photo gallery page and we'll click refresh. It's refreshing the gallery, the page, and you'll see it's going to start loading a nice gallery for us. Now this is a flash gallery. It's very nice. It has some good effects. Gives a small preview of the other photos at the bottom here. So yeah, make sure your images are not too big. You just ask Morena to resize them for you nicely. 800 by 600 pixels should be okay. Then if people want to browse, they can either click on the image at the bottom here, or they can just click the little arrow at the top to go to the next image. Very user friendly. People don't often have trouble using this one. Right, and you'll see if it's a portrait picture, it just does it itself. All right, so there's all the stuff. If you want to create another one, if you want to put another one under there, say day 2 for instance, then you would go back here, you would simply enter, make another one, Cape Epic, oops, Epic Day 2. You would again bold that, underline it, and just if you say you created another gallery now, you're going to click on this again and you'll choose the next gallery that you want to put in there. Of course, you have to create the gallery first before putting it in here. Yeah, I'm going to take this out just for now. I'm just going to take it out. If you update again, you'll see that it's going to be away, not going to be there anymore. Maybe ask Morena for some nice pictures. Get yourself photographed on a daily basis, and yeah, give us some news. It'll be awesome to see what's happening on the race. If there's any questions, Mike, give us a call. I'll be in the office most of the day, or just maybe best is to text me. If I'm out of the office, I can answer immediately. Although I've got the BlackBerry, I can also answer you. Yeah, all the best with the race, man, and thanks for giving us the opportunity to help you guys. The website can stay online as long as you guys need it. If you want to use it for other projects, just let us know. There's no hassles with that. Yeah, enjoy. Bless you, man. Bye-bye.